Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the throat bass.
Beatbox.
The throat bass is one of the most basic and essential bass sound of beatboxing and a really important sound to learn as a beatboxer because learning the throat bass alone can help you unlock a wide variety of variations and combos. Some precautions to be kept in mind before you start to learn any vocal bass variations are: firstly, drink lots of water and keep your throat hydrated when you try to learn the sound. Secondly, if you feel any irritation while trying to learn the sound, don't overstress your vocal cords, take some rest and continue later. And finally, don't overdo the sound if your throat gets sore while learning the sound, cause it may permanently damage your vocal cords and your ability to sing if you are a singer. But let this not stop you from trying to learn this sound, since it's perfectly safe to do this sound by taking all the necessary precautions and giving your throat the time to recover from the damage caused by trying to learn the sound. First, to do the throat bass, you need to do the sound that you would actually do when there is something stuck in your throat and you try to clear it by coughing really hard, like and then try to sustain the vibration in your throat by keeping your throat muscles contracted and using up the remaining air in your lungs, like This sound is an intermediate difficulty level sound and may take up to 2 to 3 weeks before you guys actually start to do the sound properly. So don't get discouraged if you guys don't get the sound in the first try. Keep practicing and drink lots of water while you do the sound and give yourself enough time to recover if you hurt your throat. The main difference between the chest bass and the throat bass is the point of focus on your vocal cords while you do the sound. For the throat bass, the point is way top near your throat, like and for the chest bass, the point is bottom near your chest, like and after you people are able to sustain the throat bass, you people can do different variations such as changing the pitch of the sound or changing your mouth position while doing the sound, like wow, wow, or even telling phrases such as Bwob, 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 do 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 do, Bwob, 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 do 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 do, Bwob, 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 do 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 do, Bwob, 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 do 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 do. And after you guys get the hang of the sound, a simple groovy pattern would be boom, 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 boom. And an intermediate dubstep pattern would be Bwob, 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 Bwob. And another intermediate pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with the sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.